Good morning to my big boss, Boss Sanjay, Boss Tangkachan, Boss Shapik. Stay healthy always. Hello guys, good morning. Marhaba, salam alaikum. Come, let's play basketball at Sapir Mall. Happy up. Basket! Carlos! Good shot! Short! Basket! Cash Opis! Bernard, 2 points! Dribble by Shoktong. Pass to Ariel. Spot. Bang, bang, bang. Shut out to all. Shipsy. Number 1. Ma'am, good morning. How are you? Score! 5-4.
Shoutout sa mga duty free. Yayor 23.
Basket. Ariel Tupo. Basket. Kuya Dos, 2 points. Hi ma, morning. Boss Mike, morning boss.
Morning.
Boss Darrell, morning. How are you boss? Good?
Guda.
Good, Mia.
Iya.
Arakam wahid.
Kamu wahid.
Basket. Kuya Dos in the house. Basket by Mark. Basket. Game ball.
Shoutout kay Frederick at Sandro. Sana maglaro naman kayo. Shoutout kay Dan. Ito din, maglaro ka na.
Hello to all my friends. Dubai Duty Free. Stay healthy, stay safe always. Sige, hello. Oo. Basket! Drex, 2 points! Hey, Larry. Pass to Chris. Basket! Hello to all my friends and colleagues. Basket! In HR department. Stay safe, stay healthy always. And take care. Basket! And 1. Defense. Basket. 9-2. Basket. Hello to all Emirates staff. Dinata, Marhaba, and Transguard. Stay safe always. Diyan, nilabas na eh. Shut out. Electronics Basket. Stop. 10-6. Concourse A, Shipsy. Amin from Morocco. Johem from Nepal. Dani from Philippines. And also Ron Keremit Stay pretty boy. And take care always.
Basket. Kuya Dos. Bas. Basket, Uncle Carl.
Hello to my friends. Cooks, Sandro, Eman, Papa Ken. Take care always.
Saktong big basket.
Hello to all dedicated merchandiser Ship B and Ship C number 1. Hello to all Digiboys, Uncle Pitts, Boss Arby, Christopher Pescador, Ron Chua, Tuyay, Bossing, Wilmar. Stay pretty boy always. Stay healthy.
Game ball! Bang, bang, bang!
Guys, thank you for watching. Maasalam.